When connecting a bare utility neutral to a service mast insulator, several steps ensure secure and safe electrical connection. The necessary materials include a service mast insulator, a bare copper utility neutral conductor, and optionally, a crimp connector. The first step involves pulling the neutral conductor through the insulator. Thread the entire bare utility neutral conductor through the hole in the insulator, taking care to avoid kinking or bending the conductor. The next step is optional but can make wrapping easier. If desired, split the neutral conductor into multiple strands to make it easier to wrap around itself. Separate only a few strands, typically 6 to 12. Now you wrap the conductor. There are two common methods, concentric wraps and figure-8 wraps. For concentric wraps, wrap the neutral conductor around itself in a tight, concentric spiral, making 4 to 6 complete wraps. For figure-8 wraps, create a series of interlocking figure-8 loops in the neutral conductor, making 4 to 6 complete loops. After wrapping, twist the wrapped conductor tightly several times to secure it. For added security, you can crimp a copper crimp connector over the twisted conductor. However, avoid certain wrong ways to do it. Firstly, do not over-twist or over-tighten the connection, as this can damage the conductor. Secondly, ensure that the ends of the conductor are securely twisted to prevent fraying. Thirdly, do not use aluminum conductors for this connection. Aluminum can react with copper and create a weak connection. And finally, do not leave the exposed conductor uninsulated, as it can pose a safety hazard. By following these steps and avoiding these mistakes, you can ensure a safe and reliable connection of the utility neutral to the service mast insulator.